2025. Dreamtime Jumbo Yellow Strawflower. Dreamtime Jumbo Yellow Strawflower, Bracteantha bracteatum, introduces golden blooms with a unique paper-like texture that last from spring through autumn. Easy as Pie Bush Cherry. Easy as Pie Bush Cherry delights home gardeners with its compact form and abundant tart cherries. Its white and pink flowers usher in warmer days, then give way to bright red fruit perfect for pies, preserves, and snacking. Firefly Petunia glowing plant. Introducing the world's first naturally glowing plant. The Firefly Petunia emits a soft, bioluminescent glow at night, making it a mesmerizing addition to any home or garden. Monarch Magic Flossflower. Monarch Magic Flossflower offers a delightful mound of soft periwinkle-blue blooms that reliably flower from late spring into summer. Pearls of Perfume Mockorange. Pearls of Perfume Mockorange, often called Philadelphus, is a must-have deciduous shrub known for its double white blooms exuding a sweet, citrus-like aroma. Solera Red Geranium. Solera Red Geranium, Pelargonium interspecific, delivers impressive clusters of bold red flowers from late spring through the warm months. Sun Parasol. Double Pink Blush Mandevilla. Sun Parasol. Double Pink Blush Mandevilla delivers a romantic flush of layered pink blooms from spring through summer. Supercal Premium Pearl White Petchoa. Supercal Premium Pearl White Petchoa, Petunia x Calibrachoa hybrid, delivers waves of creamy white blooms that gleam in sunshine from spring's start until autumn's chill. Supercal Premium Pink Mist Petchoa. Supercal Premium Pink Mist Petchoa, Petunia x Calibrachoa hybrid, showcases soft pink petals enhanced by subtle yellow at the center, delivering an appealing pastel color palette from spring through autumn. Supercal Premium Rose Pink Petchoa. Supercal Premium Rose Pink Petchoa, Petunia x Calibrachoa, delivers a wash of rose-toned flowers that open in spring and continue through autumn. Explore new plants for 2025. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.